जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यमुना तीरवनचारी। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यमुना तीरवनचारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। Hello friends, so this was a beautiful song based upon the love of Lord Shri Krishna that he has for everyone, and the song is definitely inculcates that love that we have for Krishna, and it increases that love that we have for Krishna, right? So today our topic's name is what is love? What is the difference between love and attraction? Okay? So ज़िंदगी में हमने कई बार देखा होगा कि जब हम बड़े होते हैं तब हम क्लासरूम में बैठकर किसी और लड़के के ऊपर या किसी और लड़की के ऊपर हमारा दिल आता है, राइट? और हम कहते हैं कि ओ वाह वो लड़की कितनी सुंदर है, ओ वाह वो लड़का कितना हैंडसम है, राइट? तो आई एम श्योर कि हम सब के लाइफ में ये एक टाइम आया होगा हमारे स्कूल या कॉलेज डेज में। तो मेरा ये क्वेश्चन था कि क्या ये ट्रू लव होता है, and what is the definition of true love and how you can get that true love in life. So first, starting with the first question, if I can ask you about that, do you love your parents? So your answer would be yes, I love my parents, right? If I'll ask you that, do you love this bat, this playing bat, cricket bat, your answer would be yes. But if I give you a better bat than you have in your hand, then probably your answer would be that okay, that bat is much better than this, right? अब ये क्यों why is love so complicated and yet it is so simple also to understand? लव एक कॉम्प्लिकेटेड और एक सरल चीज़ है जिसको समझा जा सकता है। What is love? Can anybody experience true love in their life? And what is the difference between love and lust, or love and attraction? See, love involves each and every aspect of your life that you see in this world, starting with spirituality, then emotionality, then your mental peace, and then physicality. All these four parameters comes in love. All these four parameters comes in love, starting with spirituality. Now, what is spirituality in terms of love? What is spirituality? Being spiritual doesn't mean that only you have to pray to Lord Krishna and then you are not you are being rude to everyone. No. स्पिरिचुअलिटी का यहाँ पे मतलब है कि आपको सबसे प्यार करना है, स्टार्टिंग विद कृष्णा, स्टार्टिंग विद द मेन सोर्स ऑफ योर एग्जिस्टेंस. You have to start loving each and every person that you see in this world. When you do that, you will recognize your values. your true values, your core values. And once you start recognizing your core values, your true values, you can understand that, okay, what is that one thing which I would like to see in my partner. तुम्हारा जो प्यार होता है ना, तुम्हारे लाइफ में जो लड़की या जो लड़का आएगा, वो 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 एक खिड़की है जिसके ज़रिए तुम पूरी दुनिया को प्यार बांटोगे और प्यार दोगे भी, प्यार करोगे भी और प्यार बांटोगे भी. वो खिड़की है. दैट इज़ दैट विंडो through which you will see this world and you will also love this world. Hence, we should always look up to those values and those ethics that we want in a person, and not just that person's looks or that person's wealth or probably that person's some good talks. We should also look at the person's qualities. Talking about twin flames एक बहुत ही लार्ज कंसेप्ट है. इसमें आपको इनर वर्क से जब आपकी शुरुआत होती है, देन यू हिट योर फर्स्ट पैरामीटर, दैट इज स्पिरिचुअलिटी. करेक्ट? आफ्टर गेटिंग स्पिरिचुअल, you understand the world. You start loving each and every person that you see on streets. Each and every person that has given probably pain to you, you start loving them. Correct? So you can't see those people. You will never see that, okay, someone has given me a bad behavior, a negative behavior, has thrown negativity on me, and hence I will not give love to them. But you start giving love to them as well. That is when spirituality helps you. By being spiritual, your level starts increasing, your energy level starts increasing. You hit the higher vibrations which are necessary. Correct? And after hitting the highest vibration necessary, you attract your other soul which is there on this planet Earth, anywhere in this planet Earth. You attract them and they come to you, and with them then you solve your purpose, then you do your purpose. Or before that, if you're doing your purpose, great, they come to you so that you both can do that purpose together. Your true twin flame will always reflect values, core values that you also have, and that core love that you have. ट्विन फ्लेम कनेक्शन एक बहुत ही स्पेशल और पोटेंट कनेक्शन है. इसका लाइफ में आना ये दिखाता है कि तुम्हें अपने आप पर काम करना है और हमेशा अपने ट्विन फ्लेम के साथ यूनियन में आकर ग्रो करना है. और नॉट जस्ट ग्रोइंग स्पिरिचुअली बट ऑल्सो physically, emotionally, materialistically, being abundant in each and every aspect of your life. That is what is love. Insecurity, jealousy वहाँ पे छू भी नहीं पाती. वो ट्रू लव है. Correct? So I hope you understood this video. I'll come with one more such topic in my next video, so stay tuned. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Okay? Bye friends.